Good day and welcome to Beyond the Veil with Miss Flame. So, I last made a video about how the evil eye can project negative thoughts on you, and I told you that I'm going to reveal in my next video um, what to do to remove the evil eye. Um, and this is what I'm going to do. But for those who doesn't know me, I'm Miss Flame, and this is my channel where I reveal about the darkness in the human beings and how they deal with it without having to go to a traditional healer, like we call it the Sangoma. Yes. So, how to remove the evil eye and to prevent it from coming back? There are several reasons. But people, the main thing is the evil eye is a belief. Do you hear me? The evil eye is a belief to be a negative energy. And that negative energy is coming from people who are jealous and who are envying you. And that negative energy is projected. It's almost like you are a phone and they are the flashlight. If I can make an example like that. So they put their flashlight on you like the projector. They are projecting the things that they want to reveal on your screen, on your phone, or on the object they are holding the flashlight towards. So for those who doesn't know what the projector is like, but the projector is actually a light that are shining towards an object, and when I want to show you something on my screen, I'm going to project the things that I want you to know or see against that wall or against whatever I project, I put that light towards. So it is projected towards you often unconsciously, and which can cause emotional and spiritual or even physical disturbance. But here is how you can remove it and to protect yourself so it doesn't return mentally, energetically, and spiritually. It is active in your life. But first, you need to recognize the signs. You need to recognize the signs, because before you remove, or you must before you remove it, you must know what signs it has in order for you to can remove it. So if you feel suddenly tired, you have a tiredness, you have slept last night, but in the morning when you are waking up, you almost feel like you haven't slept in days, but you just wake up. That, my friend, is part of the evil eye. And it also makes you feel dizzy. So if you are feeling tired and you did not go to sleep. The tiredness makes you feels like you can't stand anymore. You can't hold it. You must. It is a must that you must go, you have to go to sleep now. It is almost like a demand feeling that you are feeling within yourself, but you can't stand it. So you're feeling dizzy when you are resisting that feeling. Even if you are in your workplace or you are wherever you are, that feeling of tiredness makes you feel dizzy when you are not going to sleep. So that is part of your of the evil eye. And my friend, it is constant bad luck or things are broken in your household or your surrounding. Items are broken in. Sometimes it breaks by itself, and that is energy. Or sometimes your kids are breaking it, or um whoever else is broken the things in your surrounding or your house or whatever. Yes, mommy, no. And it is unexplained headaches. And these things is things that I went through daily. Unexplained headaches or irritability. You feel very irritable when things is not going your way when your loved ones is doing things that is triggering your irritability. So you know that something is off, and that feeling now explains sometimes that you feel like you are being watched, but you can't tell who is watching you because it is a invisible watchful eyes. You can't see it, but it is there. It is invisible. So, and that makes you feel anxious. It makes you feel anxious or it makes you feel off balance. And the tension between you and your loved ones, it is constantly because you're starting to arguing with your loved ones. You start arguing with your friends. You start arguing with the people around you. And people don't understand you. And that is the evil eye that is causing tension between you and the people around you. It causes tension between you and the people around you, so much so that you must isolate yourself. It wants you to be isolated away from the people who can help you. So it want to put you in anxiety situation. You see, wants to put you in a anxiety situation, so you feel anxious every single day because it projects negative thoughts on you. Like I said, it can project negative thoughts on you, and sometimes it makes you feel very like you must end your life or whatever negative thought arise within you. But that is part of the evil eyes, and the evil eyes is attached to monitor spirits. So if you want to remove the evil eye, remember when there's an evil eye watching you, of evil eyes watching you, it's not one eye, it is eyes. Evil eyes. Mommy's going to give you now attention. So it is evil eyes. So when evil eyes is attached to you, remember there's also monitor spirits attached as well. Mommy are giving attention now. Wait. So monitor spirits is also attached. So you must remove the evil eyes and you must remove the monitor spirits. So in my next video, I'm going to reveal how to remove evil eyes with monitor spirits. So for you who doesn't know me, I'm Miss Flame, and I'm grateful and I'm thankful for you guys who have tuned in to Beyond the Veil with Miss Flame. But for now, I'm out, and I love you guys.